The iPhone 15 Pro Max sets new standards for both the iPhone family and smartphones in general. From the new materials to some of the greatest smartphone cameras we've ever tested, Apple's flagship device checks off box after box. Comparing holding the 6.7-inch iPhone 15 Pro Max to holding the iPhone 14 Pro Max, there is a noticeably different feeling. Compared to the polished steel of its predecessor, it is lighter and has a somewhat warmer titanium feel. It's not just the titanium, however. Apple modified the frame somewhat but subtly by eliminating just enough metal to create contour edges everywhere. It's one of the tiniest but most significant design changes I've seen a smartphone maker make, and it really alters how the phone feels in the hand while maintaining the frame. One of the most appreciated and practical changes is Apple's removal of the silent or ring button. It turns an uninteresting, one-trick analog function into a sleek, customizable button that can be practically whatever you want it to be. For some iPhone aficionados, though, the adoption of the USB-C connector and instead of the Lightning port will mark the largest shift. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is a significantly more powerful phone than the iPhone 14 Pro Max thanks to Apple's all-new A17 Pro silicon, which brings console-quality gaming to the iPhone line for the first time ever. However, console games like Resident Evil Village were not designed for a 6.7-inch display, even Apple's high-definition Super Retina XDR OLED panel. Even yet, the display now has the tiniest iPhone bezels I've ever seen. The iPhone 15 Pro Max triple camera system seems to be unaltered from the iPhone 14 Pro Max's, but appearances may be misleading since the phone has undergone both internal and external improvements that contribute to one of the greatest photographic experiences you'll find on any phone. While Apple's main camera sensor looks to be the same 48 megapixels as in the Pro Max from the previous year, the company has essentially rewritten its image processing pipeline. The new 24 megapixel default image size may effectively combine 12 megapixels of pixel bin image data with 48 megapixels of complete sensor information for photos that are virtually always present. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.